Good morning to all of you. How have you been? I'm pretty great by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Okay, it's me Mamun in front of you. Right now, I'm standing my own potato field. Why I'm standing my potato field? Because now I'm giving 3 type medicines in my own potato field. For that, I'm staying here in this place. Okay, what all I'm giving 3 type medicine, such as Zadis, such as Pimidor, such as Acrobat MZ, and now I will explain this product. Okay, Pimidor, it is Podda Oil Company product in our Bangladesh, and now I'm giving Acrobat MZ. You know that this is fungicide medicine and it's always work fungicide, and it is higher antibiotic product in our Bangladesh. For that, I always give Acrobat MZ medicine, and you know that it is price very high. It's 1 kg Acrobat MZ maybe 80-100 taka. It is so tough for me because I'm poor man in our village. Okay, right now, besides at that time I am giving Trichoze medicine, and you know it is winter medicine in our Bangladesh, and it's always work winter. It is winter medicine. Besides at that time it work fungicide. It is so attractive for me. Now I'm hard working in my field since morning. It is so difficult for me because when I was studying class 6 and 7, that time I didn't the work, and I didn't do the work properly, because that time I always studied Kisherpur school. That time I cannot this work properly, but I'm trying to best in my life, and I'm practicing my English language, and I'm hard working in my field. My elder brother, he always stay Trongi in Gazipur city. Now I'm alone staying here in this place, and I'm earning person in my family. For that, I'm hard working in this field. And my father is old person. For that, he always taking care my others potato field, and he always taking care my paddy field. For that, I am hard working in this field, so it is so difficult for me, but I am hard working. It is so good. Okay, right now, as you can see, this is my own potato field, and I cultivate this potato, and you know it is very delicious and costly product in our Bangladesh. For that, I always cultivate this product, and I always caring my potato. Okay, since morning time I have seen so many problems in my potato field. For that, I am giving these 3 type medicines in my own potato field, and it is very important for me and for our potato trees. For that, I am giving. Okay, now I'm going. Now I will go my home, and I after finish my work I will go my home, because I have a local fertilizer shop. It's located in our village, and I always stay in my local fertilizer shop morning times 6 to 11 a.m. and I always stay in my shop, and afternoon time 3 to 11 p.m. I always stay in my fertilizer shop. It is very good for me because it is my income source. For that, I always stay in my shop, and I always sell some product from my shop. For that, it is my income source. Okay. Yeah, yesterday my one elder brother, his name Apel Mahmood, he recommend me, Mamun, you buy some product for me for your shop. For that, yeah, tomorrow I will order some product for my shop. What all I will order from my shop? Number 1, Acrobat MZ, and I will order Tycozep, and I will order Mancozeb. Its name, it will name Egizeb. It is main product for our potato trees. For that, I will order this product. It is so good for me because every person buy this product, and every person give this product his potato trees others feel it is so amazing for me. Okay, now I will give medicine by this machine. As you can see, this is my own machine. Its name Farmate. I bought this machine maybe 1 year ago. Okay, its price 3,500 taka from Ulipur market. I will buy this product. It is so good for me because I'm giving medicine by this machine. Okay, now as you can see, this place are so attractive for me, and where I made so many videos and so many videos in this place. For that I stop here in this place and I'm making my English content. As you can see, there are so many different kind of banana trees. I know that banana is very delicious product in our Bangladesh. For that every person daily eat banana, and when I was weak that time I always add banana. It is so good for me. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay your home, keep enjoying, keep learning. Best luck for you.